Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to see how to crochet a rose flower, and there are two types of flower here, one with the same color and the second one with two different colors. I'm going to teach you how to do both. So if you compare the sizes of these two flowers, the lavender one is slightly bigger than the pink and white one because I used two different crochet needles. I used 2.5 mm for the pink one, and the next size 3 mm for the lavender one. So that's how you see the difference here. So we would need an acrylic yarn for this project, or you can use a cotton yarn, and the needles are like as per your choice. So you can use a slightly bigger one to get the flower a little puffier, and this is the color I'm gonna use for the next rows. And you would also need a scissor and a needle. So now let's get started by taking the tail end of the yarn, and now make a slip knot here. So there are many ways to make a slip knot. You can check out my videos on Crochet Basics. So here I'm using the crochet hook to make the slip knot. Then continue to make chain 1 and chain 2 and chain 3. So we are making a big size rose here, so we would need about 60 chains. So you can make a little bigger one with 90 chains, or a smaller one with 30 chains, so it's up to your choice. So 60 chains are made. So now our next step is to skip the first 5 stitches, that is the very first 5 chains here. So if you start counting from the first chain, 1 2 3 4 5, and now yarn over and insert the hook into the 6th chain, grab the yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. So this forms a double crochet. Then make chain 3, chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. Then go ahead and make a double crochet into the same chain space. So this forms a V shape. So next skip 2 chains and insert the hook into the 3rd chain to make a double crochet. So now we have an inverted V here, and next we have to make a V pattern. For that, make chain 3 and then make a double crochet into the same chain space. So this is the pattern we have to follow all throughout the 60 chains, and I will meet you once I am at the last stitch of this row. So I'm gonna do the last pattern here. Skip chain 2 and make a double crochet into the last chain space. Now chain 1, make chain 1 and then flip. So as you can see, this is the back side of the pattern. So we are going to work on the back side now. So make a single crochet into the immediate space, that is inverted V space, and then go ahead and make 8 double crochet into the completed 8 double crochets here, and into the next inverted V space make a single crochet, and then make 8 double crochet into the next space, that is the V space. So this is the pattern we are going to follow all throughout this round. Go ahead and complete this round, and I will meet you at the end of this round. So continue to make alternate sets of 8 DC and 1 SC till the end of this row. So I'm gonna do the last set of 8 DCs here. So this is how the petals have come up for the rose flower. So they are naturally curvy because we are increasing the number of DCs, right? So next, we don't have an inverted V space here, so instead make a single crochet into the next available space and continue to make a double crochet into the same space. So now we have completed this row. Pull the yarn to about 10 to 12 inches long and then cut it. Now just make a chain stitch and secure the yarn. You can just pull it little tighter. So now slowly start curling up the rose flower. So make sure you leave the tail end loosely, and then start bringing it together slowly by placing the base of the petal very securely. So this is quite a simple pattern, so that a beginner can also do this. And I'm gonna decorate this flower with a bead, and you can see how this bead addition changes the look of the flower altogether. And this can be a decor for your baby dress or baby headband, etc. So the options are many. So now take the tail end, and using a sewing needle I'm gonna stitch it at the back side. You can just follow the steps by looking at the video. Don't pull it so tightly, just give some little space. So now insert the hook through the center of the rose flower and take a bead. This is totally optional, and insert the bead, then using the needle bring the yarn to the bottom of the rose flower. and start making knots at the flip side. So you can just follow this video to make the knot. So repeat this two more times, and then using a crochet hook you can just sew the loose ends and then cut off the excess yarn. So now the crochet rose flower is ready. So as you can see, the bead has added more beauty to the flower. And along with this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this double color rose flower. And let's introduce the second color at this point. Go ahead and make a single crochet. So for ending the single crochet, introduce the second color. Once you have two loops on the crochet hook, yarn over the second color and pull through the second color. So now pull the white color yarn tightly so that this single crochet gets tighter. Now go ahead and make 8 double crochet with this pink color in the next space. So make sure you keep the white yarn along with this double crochet stitches. So see, I have pulled the white yarn along with the double crochet. So this will help in a neater look for the flower. As you can see here, the back side of the flower is neat without the loose ends being shown. So I'm going to introduce the next color now, that is the white color. Same way, into the inverted V pattern, make a single crochet using white color and start making 8 double crochet with this white color. While you do that, make sure you take the pink yarn along with this double crochet. This is how the rose petals look when we use alternate colors. So look at the back side. It has come out very neatly without any loose ends. So that's the reason we crochet the alternate color along with the double crochet stitches. So I hope this video is useful for you guys, and you would try to make this rose flower, especially the double shaded flower. Please share it with your friends and family if you really like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel if you want to get latest updates from my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day ahead.